Hola! Have you ever wondered how easy it is to get to the small island of Isla Mujeres, Mexico? I'm here to show you how you can simply do it on your own with just a few planning skills. So come with me on my recent trip to this quiet little beautiful island and you'll see just how easy it is to do on your own. The closest airport to fly into is Cancun, and once you have arrived and exit the building, you will find many vendors with shuttles or taxis. We preferred to book our shuttle service both from the airport on arrival and return back to the airport in advance. We used Happy Shuttle, and their staff was there waiting on us when we arrived. They made a quick call for the shuttle to come pick us up and was there in a matter of several minutes.
Hola, hola. ¿Habla español? Poquito. Poquito. Poquito.
A Coke for that.
Yay. Poquito normal.
Coke and Light.
That's yours.
Poquito más.
Oh, boing. Boing.
We are currently on the Ultramar ferry over to Isla Mujeres. Tickets to the Ultramar, which is the ferry that takes you over to Isla Mujeres, can be purchased prior to arrival online at the ferry dock, or as we did with our shuttle service. The cost was 462 pesos, or around $23.20 US round trip. The ferry runs from Cancun over to Isla, starting at 5:30 a.m. and continues to run every 30 minutes until 6 p.m. Then they run every hour after that until 11 p.m. The smooth trip over takes approximately 18 to 20 minutes, as these powerful ferries average 24 to 25 knots. Once you arrive outside the ferry terminal, if you turn left, you will find an organized taxi service where all of the taxis will be lined up to take you to your place. Taxi costs $10 US to anywhere you would like to go on the island. Hopefully you found this video informative and now feel confident to make it to the island with a little planning skills. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel for more information on Isla Mujeres to come.